Hey guys, welcome back to Scuderia Car Parts. Today we're having a look at this Lamborghini Urus. As you can see, we've installed the full Novitec Esteso widebody kit. We've done the wheels, we've done a load of carbon fibre. We also did a catback exhaust, and as you can see, we did a bunch of dreamlines. We installed and painted this kit ourselves, so that's another service we offer in case you didn't know. But yeah, we'll go through it in some more detail. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe, and we'd love to hear what you think of the car in the comments below. I guess the first thing to do is to go through what actually the body kit comprises of. So if we go around the car, the first thing is this chin. So we've got a kind of extended front splitter. This then goes into these widened arches. As we go around the car, you'll see that you also get these extended side skirts with these notches at the rear door to allow it to open up. If we go to the back section, we've got extended rear arches. You'll also see that we have installed this OEM look carbon fibre diffuser complete with dreamlines. So now we'll have a look at the carbon in some more detail. But going to here, we've also got this lip spoiler, which is finished in carbon fibre. And then we've also got this roof spoiler, which gives it a really nice kind of double spoiler look, which is really, really nice. Also, we've done a dreamline on there. Not that you can see it particularly well in the rain. Coming around the car, we've also done these really awesome Vossen Novitec wheels, complete with the center cap. Now the design of this is really interesting. So it looks like it's a center lock wheel, but in actual fact it's not. So this is a whole cover that kind of comes off. You've got these Allen keys here, which then reveal the 5 lugs like you'd have on a normal car. So, you know, something like if you've got a GT3 and you break down at the side of the road, you need a massive torque wrench to get the wheels off. It's not the case with this. It's a really clever design from them, and we've been able to utilize the OEM center caps, which is really cool. In terms of the finish, this is a Novitec, sorry, it's a Vossen color called Bronzino, which looks really stunning against the black. Coming around to the front, I guess we'll have a look at the carbon fiber again in some more detail. So here we've done 4 items. We've done these 3 struts and then these sidebars, and we've done that on both sides, and it's come out really, really nice. It just helps to accentuate the kind of aggressive look of the car. And then the other really big bit of carbon is this entire bonnet. So the entire bonnet has been replaced, and it's got this really nice section here. If you come have a look a bit closer, you'll see that this is finished in carbon fiber, this section, with this really nice brace across the middle that we've done some dreamlines on. Coming around to the side again, we've got these carbon fiber mirror caps, which look really, really lovely. They just slot right onto the top of the mirror. And then these guides here. When I talk about the exhaust, there are a couple of different elements to it. So the first one is obviously the rear silencers that come complete with valves. Anyone who has spent any time around Lamborghini knows that when you go into Corsa, the valves open automatically. That's still the case with this car. But we've also given the customer the option to decouple the valves from the drive mode. So you also get a remote that allows you to open the valves when you want or to revert it back to OEM. If we go upstream of the rear silencer, there are 2 connecting sections. First of all, there's the X-pipe section, which, as it sounds, is an X-pipe that blends the left and right banks of the V8 together before it hits the rear silencer. And then there's something called the Y-pipe section, which is essentially just a link pipe, and that's what goes through and attaches to the cats on the car. This customer's done a catback, so, you know, we can do D-cats, we can do 100-cell cats. There's a bunch of different options, but, you know, he kind of wanted to keep it a little bit tame, and he went for the catback. It sounds amazing. So what we'll do now, we'll pan to some shots of the car being revved with the Novitec exhaust on it. And as always, we'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Let us know what you think.